Hi, welcome to Simply Scrapping, and it's day 15 of the 30 days of sketches with Christy's Beautiful Life. Today's sketch is brought to you by Sandra Lee. Really pretty sketch, very feminine, love it. I like the little detail of the turn down corner on the top. Let's see what I can do with it. Okay, so the photos I am scrapping today are vintage photos of my mother when she was, would have to have been early 1950s, I guess. These photos I think she sent to my father. She got them professionally taken and then sent them to my dad. He was in the Navy, so he was off on ships abroad a lot of the time. And she's written on the back here, "To my darling with all my love, Val." So they are the photos I'm scrapping, and the story I'm telling with these is about Mother's Day and how Mother's Day now feels really different for lots of different reasons. And the journaling is going to be very personal, so it's going to be on the back of the layout. So you need to actually, we'll need to pull a tab to lift the journaling out from behind the layout. So anyway, they're the photos. And I'm adding this, I will take it out of the plastic bag because it's got dirt on it. At the cemetery where my mother is, someone goes around every Mother's Day and leaves this beautiful little piece of paper, has on it, "Nobody can take the place of a mother." And every grave where the person is a mother, they put this on a like a wooden skewer and they stick it in the ground at the grave. And it's just such a really touching thing. So I've never taken it before. I've either gone out before Mother's Day or after Mother's Day, not actually on Mother's Day before, to the cemetery. And I've known they do this, but this year I actually went out, must have been, I think it was the afternoon of Mother's Day, I think. And yeah, and they'd already been and put this on the grave. So I thought, well, I'm going to take that, and that is a fantastic memory to have. And I'm going to include that on this page because it's all about Mother's Day. Yeah, anyway, what am I using? Well, I'm using a Prima collection called Delight, and this is from 2013. So this is the front cover, which is really thick cardstock. So this would make a perfect backing page, like a white backing page, because it's really firm. Or even, if you don't mind glossy accessories, you could, embellishment, sorry, you can cut all these out and then make fantastic tucking pieces. So don't throw things like this away. This is really cool, thick cardstock. Use the back of it, or cut these out and use these as embellishments. So I've already chosen the papers from this collection that I will be using. And there's 2 sheets on the sketch. There's one at the back. Wait, is there 2 or is there 3? There's 3 technically, because you've got the outer one and then this one, and this one folds down to, I assume, reveal another one underneath. But I'm not going to use a third, so I am just going to fold the corner down and it will reveal the back one. So that's my back one. And then this will be the front one, and then this corner will be folded down and something tucked in there. I do have other papers in with this range, so like I can see poking out there are Stella and Rose. So I've put these together previously as like a little mini kit, and I just haven't used them. I know that's a case of craft, but yeah. So I'll keep it all together because it all sort of blends, and then I know that's an instant kit. I just have to add embellishments when I want to do another page. So any of these cut aparts, I think they're single-sided, yes. So I might use a couple of these. I love the one with the rose on it, and this one here. So I might cut them out and use them. And then there is some sticker sheets as part of the collection. You've got some alphas, some tags, some tabs, some arrows, more alphas, some words, and then, sorry, I need to turn this sideways to fit it. And then embellishments, more tags, and banners, stars, hexagons, things like that. So I might use a few of them. And then more cut apart sheets. Lots of cut apart sheets. 2 more, okay? So, and they're just the extra papers that I have that I can use if I feel I need to, but I probably won't be using them today. Right, embellishments. I have some uniquely creative embellishments from, this is the High Tea collection. So I've got creative cuts because they have flowers on there with the right colour roses, and then also some vellum stickers from the High Tea range as well. So they are my embellishments. I do have a roll of washi stickers from Creative Memories as well. So this is just a roll of like individual flowers that pull off, which is really handy. And then if I remember, I'm hoping to make it a little bit of a vintage feel, and I'm going to ink around the edges of the cardstock and things. So that's what I'm doing. So let's get this page started. Okay, there's my completed page. Very delicate, very feminine. I really like it. I say that about all my pages. Well, no, I don't. Some I don't like. But anyway, here's a sketch again. So, Day 15 by Sandra Lee. Really, really like it. It's really pretty. So this is one I will recreate again. I have the title in a slightly different place. I sort of combined those two elements over here. I did colour the title with a alcohol marker because I didn't like the so much white starkness, and I think it looks great coloured. And then I've just used a mixture of the die cuts and the vellum stickers by Uniquely Creative because the colours just went really well with this paper. And I know normally for me, I won't put like an orange and a pink together, but I think it blends really nicely. So the colours of the sponging around the side is a bit more orangey than I wanted. I couldn't find my, I can't remember what it was called. It was more a brown distress ink, but it was years old, so I probably threw it out because it might have been dry, but I don't know. Anyway, couldn't find it, but did you see what I did? I had said in my intro that I would try and remember to sponge. Yes, well, obviously I didn't, because I stuck this down to that and then went, oh, I forgot the sponging. So I was ever so gently trying to lift it up and sponge around, and you can see hardly any on there. But anyway, I did manage to get some around, and I managed to remember the photos, but I didn't remember this bit. It's too far gone now. I can't do it, but no one will notice. So I don't think it stands out terribly that is not sponged. But anyway, there it is. There's my page. If you've liked this page or liked this video, please give me the thumbs up. If you're not a subscriber, please consider subscribing and hit that notify bell so you know when my next video comes out. And don't forget to check out the playlist down below so you can see what everyone else is using and the wonderful pages they are creating with all these beautiful sketches. Thanks so much for watching, and have a scrap happy day. Bye bye.